Hi friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to use group by and order by inside the joining clause. Okay, so this is my Laravel application, and here we can see the students table, and there is the student degree table. So basically, these two tables are master table, and I have the pivot table, that is student degree relations table. So using this table we can find which student have which degree. Okay, so now let's create a method to join this and fetch a record. So just go to the editor, and there is a student controller. So create a function, that is public function join with group by. Okay, and here I am taking the result variable and I am using the db. So I have already added db here, and now we can use this. So use the table, and suppose my table name is students. Okay, so just write it here students, and I want to join students table with the relations table. So add join, and name of the joining table. So the joining table name is basically the pivot table. So pivot table, and the relationship is student relationship dot student id equal to students table dot id. Okay, and I have another relation, that is for degree. So let's join degree with the pivot table. So my table name is student underscore degree. Okay, so let's join. So student degree dot id is basically related to the pivot table of with the degree id. Okay, so student degree relation dot degree id. So now our relations is added. So now let's fetch some record. So you select, suppose I want to add the name of the students. So here use students dot name as student name, and I want to fetch the degree. So student degree dot name as degree name. Okay, and now get the result. Okay, so now call this function from the routes. So create a route. So inside the web.php, just create a route, get, suppose my URL name is join with group by. Okay, and my controller name is student controller. I have already added this student controller here. So use the student controller colon class, and the method name basically join with group by. Okay, so let's call this URL from browser. So just go to the browser and click this URL. Oh, here we need to return the result, return $result. Okay, so now refresh this. So here we can see the record, that is name and degree. So basically it's coming from name, and for related degree, that is for id 1. So here id 1, the degree id is also 1. So for 1, that is bachelor. Okay, so in this way we are getting the 0 to 9 records, means 10 records. Okay, so now I want to make it order by with the student name. Okay, so use the order by here, and use order by. Suppose I want to order with the student's name. So copy this and paste it here, and I am passing the second parameter, that is ASC. That means it will order with ascending order of student name. So just to refresh this, so here we can see the name is coming with order ascending order, and we can make it descending also. So use the DSC for descending and go to the browser and refresh, so the name became refresh. So in this way we can order with the degree name also. So if you write the degree name, we can use this. Okay, so we can do this easily. So let's add group by. So basically group by is used for grouping something. Means suppose I am the owner of the institute and I have students and I am providing the degree. Okay, so there is some bachelor degree and there is some master degree. So now I want to know how many students are in bachelor and how many are master degree. So how we can do this? So basically for in this case we need to use the group by. Okay, so we need to group by with the degree name. So just use group by here, group by with the degree name. So basically student degree dot id. Okay, so it will group by. So now if we want to make it a group by, there is a lots of name for bachelor degree, lots of name for master degree. So basically we cannot say the select student's name. Okay, so we can see the degree name, and along with this we can fetch records how many are with this degree. Okay, to fetch a record we can use the db. So db I am using the raw and count. So basically which I am counting, so basically students id, how many students are there. Okay, so counting students id as total, and now we need to order with a degree name. So just change it here. Okay, so our set. So now if we refresh the browser, we can see there is a master with a 4 and bachelor is 6. So if you go to the database, for master we have a 2. So just check the relation table, there is 1 2 3 and 4. So basically 4 are master, so there's a reason master 4, and others are bachelor degree, this is 6. So basically we can understand how to use group by and why we actually use this, and we can make it order by as our request. So please comment if you have any queries about this video. Next day I will going to show you another topic of the Laravel 8. Please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.